It's so rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone. So we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.